2014 300S Chrysler. Beautiful white color. Still got stock converters there and there. Then it goes into a factory X pipe right there. Then we did a mid muffler delete and a resonator delete right there and right there. This is all the stuff we took off of it. The back and the front. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's gonna sound like a beast. Decibels. Go ahead. About one, at its peaks about 113, 114. Hell yeah, back it up. It's about 113, 114. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. I love the sound of those. Hey, where's your phone? You got it with you? Record a video with it. Chrysler 300S.